Here are 10 mind-blowing ways artificial intelligence is already shaping our world. Revolutionizing healthcare diagnostics. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and pathological slides with incredible speed and accuracy, often detecting diseases like cancer earlier and more reliably than human eyes, leading to faster diagnosis and better patient outcomes. Unleashing a new wave of creativity. Generative AI models like Midjourney, DALL-E, and ChatGPT can create original art, write stories, compose music, and even generate code from simple text prompts, blurring the lines between human and artificial creativity and transforming industries like design, advertising, and content creation, paving the way for autonomous vehicles. While fully self-driving cars are still evolving, AI-powered systems are already in commercial vehicles, assisting with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, automatic parking, and collision avoidance, fundamentally changing our approach to transportation safety and efficiency. Hyper-personalizing our digital experiences. AI algorithms constantly analyze our preferences, behaviors, and past interactions to deliver highly tailored recommendations for products, e-commerce, entertainment, streaming services, news, and advertisements, creating unique digital ecosystems for every user. Fortifying digital security and fraud detection. AI systems are tirelessly working behind the scenes to identify and prevent cyber threats, detect fraudulent financial transactions, and flag suspicious online activities, protecting individuals and institutions from billions of dollars in potential losses. Transforming customer service and support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants handle a massive volume of customer inquiries, resolve common issues, and guide users through processes 24/7, significantly reducing wait times and allowing human agents to focus on more complex problems. Accelerating scientific discovery and drug development. AI can sift through vast amounts of scientific data, identify patterns, simulate complex molecular interactions, and predict protein structures, like AlphaFold, drastically speeding up research in fields like materials science, genetics, and pharmaceutical development, breaking down language barriers and enhancing accessibility. Real-time AI translation tools make global communication more seamless, while AI-driven voice assistants and accessibility features help individuals with disabilities interact with technology and the world in more inclusive ways. Optimizing energy grids and combating climate change. AI is being used to predict energy demand, manage renewable energy sources more efficiently, optimize power distribution, and even monitor environmental changes and predict natural disasters, contributing to a more sustainable future.